Hello everyone and welcome to Ubuntu Quick Tip 4 in our series. This time we're going to show you how to install Docker onto our Ubuntu box, and there will be a follow-on to this to show you how to install Docker Compose as well. So let's go ahead and get started. So again, we have an SSH shell open. We're going to do an sudo apt install apt-transport-https, and then also a CA certificates and curl and softwareproperties.com, and all these links are in the description below as usual. So as you can see, we've just run that and they're installed. So next up, we need to install the Docker repository first before we actually install Docker itself. So just going to do a curl -f-s capital S capital L https://download.docker.com/linux/ Ubuntu/gpg, and then an sudo apt key add. And then once we've done that and we've added the key, we're going to then actually install Docker itself. We'll just do an update. And then we're going to do an apt-cache policy docker.ce. And then we're going to install Docker with sudo apt install docker-ce. It'll just run through the install. Doesn't take too long. I'll speed up various sections here. Okay, we're done. If you want to check out how to install Docker Compose to use multiple containers on the same machine, you can click on the link at the end of this video. Thanks for watching.